Hello folks, this is Hey Good with you today, and I am a flashaholic. What a flashaholic means basically is I love flashlights, and I have way too many and more than anyone would ever need. What I'm going to do here today is make an unboxing video of a new package that I've received in the mail, and I'm not sure exactly what it is, but I do have a pretty good idea. So it's not necessarily on the fly. This is a bubble wrap lined envelope from China. Okay, so I know what these are now. This is a Singfire 348, which I ordered from Gear Best. So they are packaged very well. Have 2 layers of bubble wrap, and they were in a box. And of course the envelope. Okay, so this is a Singfire 348 with a clip, push button clicky on the ends. They are 1 mode, stainless steel, run off of 1 AAA battery or 1 10440 lithium. To compare this to the Olight i3S EOS, it's just a little bit longer and a tad skinnier. Okay, so these will not tail stand because they have a clicky on the end that turns on. So this is a Singfire 348. It's a clone of the CQG S1 CQG, short for cnqualitygoods.com. Now, to access the battery compartment, unscrews at the top. Got our negative spring there. So let's pop a AAA rechargeable envelope in here. And we'll get us a beam shot on the wall here in just a second. Now I just realized I ordered a neutral white and a warm white. That's the difference in the LED tints. That's the warmer white. That's the neutral white. Warm, neutral. Smoke, you want to say hey to the camera? Come here. Come here. And Smoke wants to say hey to you guys. So say hey to the camera, Smoke. Okay. Good boy. We over and out. I like the size of the light. Clip seems pretty decent. Clicky seems smooth. I like the stainless steel finish. It's a pretty bright little light. I think I will enjoy this. You guys have a good one.